This basic program is a classic example of early computer programming used to simulate or display planetary information using the basic programming language. During the early days of personal computers, BASIC beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code was widely used by students, hobbyists, and programmers because of its simple syntax and interactive nature. Today, these vintage BASIC programs are remembered as an important part of computer history and continue to inspire retro programming enthusiasts and learners who wish to explore classic coding techniques and early scientific situations. Now let us see the full coding for this solar system program. So it will be useful for you to create this program. Hope this video is useful to you. Please share this video and watch our videos. Thank you.